In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma files to Adobe Illustrator in just 5 minutes. If you're someone who often bridges the realms of design tools, mastering this simple yet effective workflow can be a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly transfer your creative assets from Figma into Adobe Illustrator to leverage its advanced capabilities efficiently. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to figma.com. Figma has truly revolutionized the design landscape with its collaborative interface design tool. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Sign in with your credentials to access your recent and shared projects. Once you're in, it will take you right to the Figma homepage. Here you'll see a panel that displays all your ongoing and recent projects. Navigate to the specific project or design file that you wish to export. Once located, click on the file to open it. You should now be in the design view, which is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to ensure everything is ready for export. Once you're satisfied with your design, you'll want to locate the export option. This can typically be found in the lower right corner of your screen within the export panel. Clicking on export will prompt you with different format options. For the purpose of transferring to Adobe Illustrator, select the SVG format. SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphics, is an excellent choice for maintaining the vector quality of your designs when working across different design tools. After choosing SVG, it's time to return to the main menu. This is where we take it one step further to prepare your file for Illustrator. Click on the main menu in the top left corner of the window, then proceed by clicking on File. Under this menu, click on Export. This action ensures that your selected layers are prepped as a downloadable file in your chosen format. Allow a moment for Figma to process the export. Your file will be downloaded to your system's default download location. Now you are ready to open Adobe Illustrator. Fire it up and click on Open from the main screen to locate your newly downloaded SVG file. Give it a moment to load, and there you have it. Your beautifully crafted Figma design is now open in Illustrator, ready for any further enhancement you envision. And that's it. Simple, quick and effective. By following these steps, you can easily export and continue to develop your Figma designs using Adobe Illustrator's robust toolset. Whether you're making a few tweaks or embarking on a major revision, you're well equipped to do so. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy design tutorials.